Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can fix Roblox stuck on your loading screen. This is for PC and phone. So why does the Roblox get stuck loading? So the Roblox usually freezes on loading because of the slow or unstable internet, corrupted cache files, server issues, and VPNs or background apps interfering. So to fix that, you just have to close the Roblox completely. You can turn the Wi-Fi off and then turn on again. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and vice versa, and then just open the Roblox and join again. So this fixes the loading issues for most users. But if that doesn't work, you can also try the fix number 2, which is to check the Roblox server status. So if the Roblox servers are down or overloaded, you can wait for 10 to 30 minutes. So make sure that you don't keep on rejoining the same game. So no device fix will work if the servers are down. For last step is to clear cache. This is very important. Now for Android, you just have to tap on the settings, tap on the application, and go to Roblox. From there, you will see storage. Click on that and then tap clear cache. For iPhone, you can also restart your phone or uninstall and then reinstall the application, which is the Roblox. And for the PC or the Windows, you can press Windows and R, and then you can type um, this one. I'm just going to flash it on the screen and then tap on the delete the Roblox folder and then restart the PC. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!